We are out here at Bellbird Grove. I've got my Canon R50 with the EF55 to 250, and my brother's up ahead with the R7 100 to 400 RF lens. And let's see what we can find. Okay, the sun is starting to set, but it's more the clouds coming over that you could see that's blocking the sun. So we're gonna head up to the top area and hopefully we see some birds there before the sun sets. Maybe even some sort of wallaby or kangaroo that Alex saw jump around. So maybe it's headed up there for the sun. Let's find out. And like, I would think that those would be super unsharp as well. So long, Pacific black duck.
And magpie that's been there the whole time.
And magpie that's been up there the whole time. I don't even know if you can see that. Goodbye.